graphical representation of the first order chemical reaction. So the rate equation, integrated rate expression for the first order reaction is K equal to 2.303 divided by T into log A by A minus X. If you are rearranging the equation, if you are moving the term log A by A minus X in the left hand side, we can write it as log A by A minus X is equal to K by 2.303 into T. Okay. So, if we are writing like this, log A by A minus X is equal to K by 2.303 divided by T. Okay. So, I can replace this term A by A minus X by the term R. See here, in the second graph, Kt divided by 2.303, that's equal to log, instead of A, I replace that term A by R0, that is the initial concentration of the capital A, divided by, instead of A minus X, I put the term R. So the equation becomes Kt divided by 2.303, that's equal to log R0 divided by R. Instead of that, in your textbook it is written as Kt by 2.303, that's equal to log A by A minus X. You can write in any way. Okay. Now, then if you are writing like this, log A is R0 divided by R, or log A by A minus X, that's equal to Kt divided by 2.3. Then we compare this equation to y is equal to mx plus c. This equation mx plus c is the is representing the equation for straight line. So here the y is equal to mx plus c. So there is no c here in this equation. So we can plot the graph like this, log R0 by R. So in this equation, in the y, the term y is equal to log R0 by R. The x term is the t. Okay, so y axis we are plotting log A0 by A minus X, or log R0 divided by R. In the x axis we are plotting the change in time t. Okay, so there is no intercept, so the graph or the straight line is passing through the origin. Okay, so we can draw the graph like this. So the slope is equal to, slope is the, in this equation slope is the m. So in the place of m, in our equation the m is equal to k into 2.303. So the slope is equal to k by 2.303. Okay, all of you please try to draw this graph. This is very important. So the graph can be represented like the first graph. Okay, so in order to get the first graph, rearrange the equation to ln r is equal to minus kt plus log r0. Compare this equation to the equation for straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. So in the terms of y, here it is ln r. So we are keeping the value ln r in y axis and t in the x axis. So the slope is equal to m is equal to minus k. Slope is equal to minus k. And intercept is the ln r0. So we draw the graph. So we draw the line just above the x axis. Okay. Then extrapolate and touch into y axis. So see here, keep in mind here the slope is the negative, k is equal to negative value. In the first graph the slope is positive and it should pass through the origin.